Hey guys, it is Sunday and it is a new week of what's for dinner, and super simple, easy after work tonight. So we are having the chicken thighs again, and Jared cooked me some more zucchini and he added some mushrooms that we really needed to eat because they were going bad, and then some Crystal's hot sauce on the side. So that is what's for dinner. Next, you will see two other recipes that I have not featured in this video yet, so stay tuned. Bye. Alright you guys, so it is Monday and we are having a new recipe, which is new to y'all but not new to us. We are having cube pork steak with gravy and mashed potatoes, and then a side of mushrooms. Super easy. Jared pan fried the pork steak with a double batter, like an egg wash and flour batter. And then mashed potatoes, he cooked it, so we'll see if it's creamy and good and seasoned right. And then he sauteed some mushrooms, and that's about it. So this is our dinner for tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, and I wanted to film the clip of what's for dinner before our guests come over, which is Jared's sister and fiance and baby. So I made a homemade lasagna, you guys. I mean, the noodles are not homemade, but I mean, it's from a box. But everything else I made homemade, and I'm super happy. We actually had to start this the day before because this recipe took about 4 hours, because you're supposed to make the sauce for 1.5 hours and put everything together and cook the lasagna for 25 minutes with the foil on and 25 minutes off the foil. So it took pretty much 2 days to make this, but it looks really good. I'm super excited. I'm super proud of myself. And then we're going to have some garlic bread. It's kind of crusty or kind of a little dark, but it's fine. It's going to taste great. So this is our dinner for tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Wednesday and we are having leftovers. And let me just tell you, the lasagna was super good. I'm very proud of myself once again. But we are having lasagna. And then Jared cooked me up some garlic toast because literally just walked through the door from a 12-hour shift. So this is what's for dinner, and we see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is Sunday, and yes, you just watched last week's video. But there was only like 2 or 3 clips, so I decided to just move it over to next week's also and just combined it, so it'll be a little bit longer of a video. So today is Sunday and we are having a new recipe. Not really. I mean, I've never featured pork loin on my videos, but this pork loin, we actually got it at Sam's. It was a peppercorn bacon wrapped pork loin. So all we did was put it on a pan with a rack, cooked it in the oven for about maybe 45 minutes, and then we roasted some potatoes with it. I did a dollop of sour cream, and then we roasted some broccoli. Also, I wanted some mashed potatoes, but Jared wanted some diced potatoes, so he was cooking. So this is his dinner that he made, and it looks really good. It smells really good also. And yeah, we will see you guys Monday. Hey guys, so it is Monday and we are having breakfast. So Jared made me some scrambled eggs. Well, I didn't cook because I came in late. So Jared cooked me up some eggs, and then we are eating the sausages. So this is, I'm probably going to butcher it, but longanisa. It's a Filipino cured pork, and it's garlic flavored, so you can get it in the Asian market. And they're just little bitty sausages, and you can just saute it. And sometimes a lot of people like boil them and then saute it, but Jared just sauteed it, and it's going to be good. It's very sweet, but yeah, so it's cured pork and it's garlic flavored, and it's called longanisa. But yeah, so this is dinner. It's very simple, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and we're having something that we never really had. And it's actually was supposed to be whole fish, but I forgot. 2 reasons. I forgot to take out the fish, And the other reason you have to go and check out my weekly check-in, because on Tuesday I was just stressed out. So go check that out, and then you will find out why. I went to Sam's Club, and they have their pre-made dinners in their meat section or their deli section or something like that. And they have different like meal kits that you can do. So I picked up the rotisserie cheese enchiladas. There's also like chicken Alfredo, chicken Parmesan. There's stuffed peppers. They have anything you think of. And they're only $10 for a big, big pan. So me and Jared will be eating on these for a couple of days for lunch and stuff. But I just wanted to show y'all. So it's just tortilla and rotisserie chicken. So the rotisserie chicken is actually from what they make at their store. And then it has enchilada sauce and cheese. So it smells really, really good. And I tried some of the sauce and it was really tasty. So this is what we are having for dinner. And it looks really yummy. And we will see you guys Wednesday. Hi guys, it is Wednesday and I worked late, so I didn't get off until 7, and I actually stayed over about 45 minutes. So I just got home and we are having leftovers, and let me tell you guys, this is freaking really, really good. Like, I don't usually eat a lot of leftovers, but this is awesome. The rotisserie chicken enchiladas, absolutely love it. It is really good heated up also. Tastes the same as it was cooked in the oven. And yeah, so this is what we are having for dinner. And we will see you guys Thursday for Halloween. So this is what we are having for today. We are having the fish that we get from the Asian market. We steamed it in the pressure cooker for about 15 minutes. Then I roasted some zucchini, as always. Absolutely love zucchini. And then it's very cold outside. It's about like 39 degrees, 40 degrees. So I just spooned up some of the fish broth. And we're going to drink that. So this is what we are having for today. And we will see you guys later. Hey guys, so it is actually Sunday. So you are getting a bonus clip ending this video of what we ate for dinner. The only reason that you're getting this is because I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Or in the video yesterday. But I went to my brother's and his fiance's house. And she cooked some white chicken chili, which was really, really, really good. So that's what we ate. And then today for Sunday for lunch, I decided that I wanted to go to Fresh Market and pick up some stuff. So I got chicken salad for Jared, which I was supposed to only get chicken salad, but I saw this, which is a sushi bowl. It looks really good. It's the chef's special. So it is tuna and salmon. Has some avocado, sesame seeds, brown rice at the bottom. I see yum yum sauce, and I think that is cucumbers. So that is what I'm going to be eating. And just real quick, the recap, the pork loin filet, it was alright. I probably would not buy it again. Breakfast is good as always. Whole fish and zucchini, always love that. Spicy shrimp, we did not do that. And steak, we did not do that, but on Halloween we had pizza. And then leftovers. And then also we had the white chicken chili, was super good. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all like to see more of these. And if there's a recipe that I've done in the past that I have not featured in a while, let me know that also. And make sure you subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.